Hey, Shersten and Bridget. This is a quick video to show you how to use the Acaia Lunar scale. So it's pretty easy to use, just have to know how to use the two buttons. On, off, tare. You'll probably never use the tare. This is the main button you're going to use. To turn it on, it's just a quick click. Okay. Now, you also use this on-off button to change functions. So let's just change some functions here. To change a function, you hold it for a second and then lift up. And you can see how it's changing something over here. So let's go back. This is the most basic function, which you may never use, but it's the wane function. So you put something on, all it does is weigh it. Now you want to tare it, that's the tare button. Okay, now it's tared. So you're probably not going to use this function at all. So let's go back to the function I recommend. The one I like to use is this one. You'll see there's a square right here. That square means tare. And then the little drip there is for starting the timer when it senses espresso dripping. So what happens is you put your cup on, it weighs it, tares it, and then as the espresso starts dripping in, it senses that there's a flow rate, and then it starts the timer. So I will pull a separate video showing that. So let's take that off. Again, to change the function, you put your finger on, hold it, okay? And you can go through different functions. We'll just go back to the one I showed you. Okay, that's one I recommend, square and drip. Now to turn the scale off, 2 clicks. 1 click on, 2 clicks off. The other thing you need to know, it's battery powered, but it's got a battery. You don't change batteries. It comes with a cable. And unlike your iPhone, you'll notice that the opening is a little bit asymmetric, so you don't want to force it in. Make sure you've got the cable plugged in the right way. And then you can use one of those, what is that? You can use one of those things from your iPhone to plug it into the wall. So that's pretty much it. I'll pull a shot too, so you can see how that works.